Welcome back, folks, to the Honda Snowblower channel on YouTube. You know, the question we get almost every single day on our Facebook group, Honda Snowblower Enthusiasts, how old is my Honda? Or I'm looking at a Honda Snowblower online on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. I don't know how old it is. How can I tell how old it is? Now, first of all, it's really easy to find out how old the machine is. If the owner does not know, you can get the serial number underneath the handlebars between the tracks on the plate. There's a serial number. So write that serial number down. If you're in the United States, call Honda or 1-770-497-6400. Tell them you want to know how old the Honda is, give them the serial number, and they will tell you when that Honda was delivered to the dealership. So that's the easiest way to tell how old the Honda is. But let me say this. To me, the age is not important. It's the condition that is everything. Now, I've worked on hundreds and hundreds of Honda snowblowers. I've seen commercial machines. I have a 928, an HS 928 right here. It could be only a couple years old. If it was worked in a commercial snow removal business, it's going to have a ton of hours on it, and it's going to be beat up and worn out and need all kinds of parts, and it's just going to be totally trashed. Now, 2 years old, oh, I'm going to buy that, because it's only 2 years old. This machine here, it's almost 30 years old. This is my HS 624. Excuse me. It's used every winter, but I'm meticulous about maintaining it and taking care of it and changing the oil and making all the adjustments and lubrication. The condition on this machine is excellent. So it doesn't matter that it's 30 years old. This is a much better machine than a commercial machine. So the condition is, to me, is everything. Okay, folks? Sometimes you do need to know the age for whatever reason, but I just get so frustrated when I see online questions and comments on my videos. How old is my Honda? Or I'm thinking about buying this Honda, so I want to know how old it is. It's really, to me, it's really not that important. Even a machine that's 40 years old, it's going to have some general wear and tear. But if it's been properly maintained and properly used, and it's been serviced every 100 hours or less, it's going to be in a lot better shape, and it's going to be worth a lot more than another machine that's 5 years old or less, that's been neglected, left outside, used in a business, on a construction site, or used, 8 hours a day after a snowstorm for days on end by a snow removal team. So that's what I'm talking about, when you want to know the age. It's nice to know, but the condition is more important. Now, we have a lot of videos on our channel that shows you different machines, like, should you buy this or should you walk away? I go through inspections. I show you what to look for. We'll post links to stuff like that at the end of this video. You can go on the channel. You can subscribe to the channel, because we're here to help you save money on maintenance and repairs. And we can save you a ton of money before you buy a used Honda or buy a new Honda. We show you how to maintain and repair them. We show you how to use them. We give you all this little tricks of the trade and so forth. So I really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.